Today we're talking about the all-new DJI OM5, some of the improvements and what you can expect out of the box when you purchase your DJI OM5. Talking about right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds, and today we're talking about the DJI OM5. We're going to open up the box and talk more about this gimbal for your phone. The DJI OM5 is the fifth rendition of the DJI Osmo Mobile. We've seen multiple versions. This is obviously the latest and greatest. They've updated some new things. They've got new motors. They've got new smart features. And really, at the end of the day, this is a pocket-sized gimbal to put on your phone to turn your Android, your iPhone into a cinema-like camera. It's smooth, it has smart features, it's got selfie features, and it's now got a extendable pole as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. So you got the built-in extension rod there. You can extend your selfie stick here, and you can see how much longer that is, and it actually feels very sturdy. The metal part of the extension pole feels very sturdy, like if I'm kind of pulling on it or cranking on it. And that was one thing that I was worried about before opening this up, was how sturdy was this actually going to be? Although it is, plastic, it definitely feels very nice in my hands. So one of the nice things about the OM5, number one, is it's super portable. It folds up really into this size. And then when you're ready to put your phone onto the gimbal, it's very simple. You're just gonna pop this open, and then your phone, they actually have this little bracket with a little magnet, and it just goes right on the back there, and it's ready to go. You're gonna power it on, and you're ready to film right out of the box. Like, you really don't need anything crazy. And I also love the fact that you have this little mount for your phone, so you can simply take it off of the gimbal. You can pop it on there really quickly, and you can keep, using your phone as normal. But if let's say you're traveling, you're on vacation, you're gonna be using the OM5 for different shots or selfies and things like that. You just simply pop your phone right back on there, and you're ready to film just by, popping it on there. You don't need to go and, adjust anything or set anything up or have a different mount. It's all ready to go. And then when you're done, you go back to your phone, you go on Instagram, go to texting or whatever. You just leave that on there when you're traveling around. You know that you're using the OM5. Tripod mount as well, that's going to just screw onto the bottom of your OM5 just like this. And now you can set this up for selfies. I normally put the tripod on there for different reasons. Also, I feel like when I'm holding it and I'm walking around with the gimbal, it's easier to kind of manage it, having a little bit more leverage there on the handle. But you can also just open up the tripod and then set it down on something for selfies and different filming or time lapses and things like that. DJI has said that the OM5 stabilization comes with the 3 motors, which makes it so that your phone is going to be very stable and smooth during dynamic shots. DJI has said that the new motors and the algorithm in the OM5 is going to make it the most advanced, smoothest gimbal yet. It's going to be able to adapt to your movements while you're filming, whether you're riding a bicycle or you're using gesture control. This is going to mean that you're going to get super stable results using the OM5 with the new algorithm and the new motors here from DJI. So another really cool feature with the OM5 is the shot guides. This is going to allow you to shoot like a pro. Shot guides automatically recognize your environment, and they will recommend helpful shooting tips and creative templates. Now allows even first-time users to capture stunning results. You're going to be able to see all of the smart features, shot guides, and everything right inside of the DJI app. It's very simple. You just download it on your phone, you put it on the gimbal, it's gonna recognize it's on the gimbal, it's gonna know, and you're gonna be able to go through and have all those smart features. You're gonna have all these tools to make your footage look very cinematic and very high quality and professional just by using your phone. And the cool thing now is most smartphones, iPhones, Androids, and pretty much I feel like every phone on the market today is shooting very high quality 4K footage, especially with the iPhone. I mean, it's amazing to see how high quality the footage is with the iPhone today. OM5, you're gonna have Active Track 4.0. So DJI said that they've improved pretty much everything from the advanced recognition capabilities to higher responsiveness. There's even a new automatic face tracking feature for selfie mode. Some of the intelligent shooting modes include panorama. They include a new Clone Me Pano feature, which allows you to shoot a panoramic photo and then clone yourself throughout the scene. You also have different video modes like story mode, dynamic zoom, time lapse, spin shot. So there's a lot of intelligent features built into this gimbal, built into this app. So to recap here, you're not only getting a gimbal for your phone when you purchase the OM5, you're getting a gimbal that's full of smart features like shot guides, like the intelligent features, like panorama, different selfies, different photo features, different video features as well. So very streamlined, small form and function gimbal, which you see here, but it's full of intelligent features. You got all the buttons on there, you got everything ready to go. The battery's gonna last, you got everything right out of the box. And for charging, all you simply need to do is just plug the USB-C into the wall and you're ready to go. So there it is, the DJI OM5. If you haven't checked it out yet, check out dronenerds.com. We'll be posting more videos very soon right here on the channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow along here on Drone Nerds YouTube channel and also on Instagram at Drone Nerds. I will talk to you guys later on.